Bonjour, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Max Mountain World.
And it's hard because you have same controls and stuff and you use all this stuff. I understand. That's right there. But well, for me, I don't.
Bonjour, hello. There's a lot of clicking going on in the Max Mountain World man cave. What's going on? This is the way we look at this is lightningmaps.org. Now somewhere in there is a blue circle which you can just see it right in the middle there. That's where I am. This is a storm that's coming in from the northwest. We're about to get seriously whacked. So I'm gonna head outside this time of night. Hopefully I'm choosing the right camera. Been very difficult to judge which camera is best at night time to take lightning shots, but I'll take the Panasonic out and see what happens. This looks like it's gonna get good. I can hear it. We got rain. Right, work's going on, so duck under and fuck me. Yeah. I think we're in a cloud here. Wow. Right, we're definitely in a storm. Wow. Right, I've got to keep back here because I really don't want the lens getting wet. But okay, so forgive the fact that we've got stairs and shit in the way. Oh, what? Oh, this is going mental. I'm gonna go upstairs now. Right, it's gone a bit mental out there. Just a little bit mental. So let's go to the other side of the building. We'll go, whoa. Jeez. Yeah. Well, there's. Wow. That is a storm. Whoa. Woo. I'm going to try and talk over this because this is seriously loud. Wow. Right, I'm gonna head over to an apartment I'm working on the second floor, and shit, I've got it locked because I've got all my tools in here. So let's go and see what's fuck it. Have had a couple of beers. Yeah. It's the old finding the key in the lock thing after a couple of pints. But anyway, let's go. There's the kit. I'm going to keep the lights off just to make sure that I get the best light. Jeez, look, this is soaking out here. Now, about 20 minutes ago, I put my car away because I thought it might get hailstormed on, and no, there's no way I'm going out a door. So we look at a window. Woo! Fucking hell. Right, that's where I parked my car earlier. Again, I'm going to try and talk over this, but it is seriously noisy. I don't think I'm going to get any lightning photos tonight, but wow, that's awesome. I can't really talk over this too well, but I think we're going to get a thunder strike here, a lightning strike. This is mental. Wow! Let's zoom in and look around. Wow! I'm so glad I put St.Sorlin away 20 minutes ago. I saw this coming. Wow. Awesome. Woo. these hailstones are now the size of marbles. I'm getting bigger. Main Street, Les-Orres, 1800, just turned white. Tempted to get the skis out. Yeah, it's coming down a bit. Let's survey the damage. Anyone want to buy a slightly dented Toyota? Here's why I didn't go outside. Again, the blue dot is us. Yeah, there's maybe one or two little ones to come. But that's the storm that just came through here. It's on its way away. Wow, that was an experience.